So this is an urgent update for Nkla. We have a new support that we should hold for today over the $2.78. Even though we have good news for Nkla, because as you can see here, Nkla gained as order for hydrogen powered truck cross 200. So this is great news. That's why the price is holding, even though there is a big short seller came around this level. Let me just show you exactly around the $3.26. We have almost 5 tests and the price gave up and went down. But the good thing is we're still holding this current support over the $2.78. So what's the game plan right now? What we should do, because today is Wednesday, the beginning of August, we have just 2 days before Friday. So we might see a huge volatility before that. And of course there is earnings in just 2 days. I think the earnings will be, on Friday. Yes, on Friday. It's not confirmed yet in pre-market or after hours. However, Friday would be a huge day for Nkla. So before Friday, we need to hold the $2.78 to confirm that the price will have a huge kick after the earnings around the $3.26. Once we have the break over the $3.26, we're gonna have huge pump, guys. So we have to watch out for the $3.26, $2.78 as a support in order to have a huge kick toward the $3.96. As everybody said, the $4 is the major target for Nkla to hit, not the $10, not even the $5, but the $3.96. This is the price value for Nkla that the market actually decided for Nkla to hit. It's not me or other trader, but the market is deciding which price will hit first for Nkla. So after we test the $3.96, you might be asking and wondering where the price will go, what the price target for Nkla this year. Everything can go, as we said, we have to take profit on the way, then entering if we have a support. So this is the hunter way of trading. If you're new here, we always talk about taking profit. It's not just holding and wishing the price to go higher, because everything goes in the market. However, if you want to trade Nkla and still holding from the $2, you can actually do swing trade and even trailing stop, and you don't have to exit from Nkla trade and make the profit taking go higher and higher and higher. So for my opinion, if we hold the $2.34, not the $2, because if we went below the $2, it means really a weakness and there's major shift in the fundamental. However, if we hold the $2.34, even if we broke the $2.78 before the earnings, we might have a reversal. There's a chance that we still have a breakout and reversal once again. But the best case scenario is holding over right now this support, the $2.78, in order to have a squeeze toward the $4. And of course, if we have pre-market gap, we're gonna do it here on our day trade and swing trade channel. Of course, we always do chart analysis update for mini stocks, and of course on our Patreon as well. So stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching, and of course we're gonna do power hour on Friday. If we have the earnings in after hours, we're gonna hunt Nkla on our power hour hunt on Patreon. So stay tuned for that, and our live stream as usual on YouTube around 3 p.m. CT. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next update.